Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're just starting out on your crochet adventure, the very first hurdle you'll likely encounter is understanding the relationship between yarn and crochet hooks. Let's take a look at some common yarn types and their corresponding crochet hook sizes. By referring to a handy chart of these, you'll quickly notice that different thicknesses of yarn require different sized crochet hooks. And here's a nifty little tip. Most of the time, the label on the yarn will actually tell you the recommended crochet hook size. It's like a little roadmap for your crochet project. Now, here's something I wish I'd known when I first started. Yarn isn't just about thickness. Its texture plays a huge role too. I made the rookie mistake of just grabbing some random yarn off the shelf and diving straight into crocheting. Big mistake. The yarn I picked up was all soft and floppy, and it was an absolute nightmare to work with. It kept falling apart as I was trying to crochet, which made the whole learning process really tough. And if that wasn't bad enough, if I accidentally dropped a stitch, forget about it. The yarn was in such a loose and disorganized state that it was nearly impossible to find the right loop to pick up and continue crocheting. It was incredibly frustrating, especially as a beginner. So my advice to all you newbies out there is to steer clear of this kind of unpredictable yarn when you're first starting. It can really dampen your spirits and make you feel like giving up. Instead, opt for yarn from well-known brands or those that are frequently recommended by professional crochet bloggers. These are more likely to have the consistency and quality you need to start your crochet journey on a positive note. With the right yarn and hook combination, you'll be crocheting like a pro in no time. The crochet hook size marked on the yarn label is to suggest the appropriate hook specification for the yarn, helping crocheters choose the right tool for an ideal crocheting result. Here's what it means. Number 1. Direct hook size correspondence. The marked number usually directly represents the diameter of the crochet hook, typically in millimeters. For example, 3.5 millimeters on the label indicates that a 3.5 millimeter diameter hook is suitable. Common hook sizes from 2.0 millimeters to 6.0 millimeters, etc., with different sizes for different yarn thicknesses. You can use the crochet hook size charts here to help you convert one measurement system to another. For example, if you have a crochet hook that says 4 millimeters, you can look at the conversion charts and know that it's also called a G/6 hook in the US or a size 8 hook in the UK. Number 2. Reflecting fabric effects. The right hook size ensures proper stitch size and fabric density during crocheting. For instance, thick yarn with a large-sized hook creates a fabric with loose texture and big holes, good for warm yet lightweight items like summer shawls. Fine yarn with a small-sized hook makes a fabric with dense and tight stitches, suitable for delicate lace works. Number 3. Considering knitting tension. A crocheter's knitting tension affects hook size selection. If one tends to knit tightly, they may need to choose a hook one size larger for the same yarn. If they knit loosely, a smaller sized hook might be required to achieve the desired fabric size and effect. Also, beginners are not advised to buy too many or expensive crochet hooks at first. Often, when purchasing material kits or yarn, sellers will give away crochet hooks and other relevant auxiliary tools for free. By understanding these aspects of the crochet hook size on the yarn label, you're well on your way to creating beautiful crochet projects. Remember, crochet is a journey and every stitch counts. So start small, experiment, and enjoy the process. With the right hook yarn combination, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching and see you next time.